What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1969 Chevelle. This one here has a 350 under the hood. It's a Daco Correct motor with power steering, front disc brakes, and drum in the rear. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures. Wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are also available. You want to see all of our inventory? We just updated yesterday. Every Monday we update with new cars. Definitely check out the walk around video describing any kind of flaws outside and inside of this one. We do that with every car on here. All you have to do is type in the year, the model, and Maple Motors. Last but not least, hit that subscribe button for daily content. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Getting ready to take off down the road. Go ahead and check out the interior before we roll. Place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? It looks like it's fairly new. The dash is in good shape. Interior is nice and clean. Carpet's been replaced. Got the top down. Check out the walk around video to see the top up. I go over everything about it on there. That's why I do a two-part video. All right. Showing 60,000 miles. This car is nice and warm now. We've had it running for a little while. Gas gauge is about halfway and should be working. Couldn't get the blower motor to cut on, but the radio does work. And the wipers are gonna need to be worked on. They're not working right now. Could be the motor or the plug's unplugged. All right, guys, let's take off. All right, guys, got y'all set up in the window. Hopefully it keeps some of the wind off of y'all. Let's see here. Anything I see that is wrong with this one, I will point out. I will let you know. So good. The car is going straight down the road. Try to get on a good pavement here. They have scraped up all the road around us. It's going straight as an arrow. As soon as I turn, it turns. Nice and smooth there. The kick down's hooked up. Had a little bit of a pop coming from the car just then. Try to fight some of this traffic. I'm going to get off the main road. We're going to go to the back roads. Of course, sounds great. Gas gauge is fluctuating, moving around. The brakes have been feeling pretty good. Suspension's nice on this one so far, what I've noticed. I think there's so much traffic because there was a wreck on the other side of town. I still hear the sirens from it. Here they come. Turn signals are popping up on the dash there, both sides, left and right. And when I get down on the brakes, they stop pretty fast. I thought that guy was coming over on me. This seat came forward too. It doesn't lock, but it just did. When I got down on the brakes real hard, it kind of locked up a little. I just didn't want that guy to wreck into us. He darted over pretty hard. gonna pull into this parking lot here. We're gonna get some outside shots, and the rest of this road should be open and clear without all this heavy traffic. If you want to see all the gear that I use, just look below in the description. I put Amazon links to all the stuff. Let's get these outside shots. Good deal, guys. We're gonna take off now. So far so good. Been rolling around the parking lot. So we'll flip that back in. Nice smooth ride. Going straight down the road. Brakes are good. Motor sounds good. All the gauges are working. Steering's tight. Does need work on the wipers and the blower motor. Oh wait, and the horn. That's small stuff. You probably won't notice with this car, a lot of cars here lately have been pretty good suspension, but we're going over a speed bump halfway down this road. Just kind of give you an idea the best I can through video. Listen for rattles and shakes. It's coming up right here. Hardly even felt it. We're good to go. Come on, light. Must have heard me. All right, we made it back around. We're gonna pull into the lot here. and get started on another one. I got a couple trucks, some C10s I'm pulling up today, and we're definitely gonna get them on video. Let's do it. Guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I try to post videos every single day. Check us out at maplemotors.com. We got financing and shipping information, close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. We got test drives on every vehicle on the lot here. All you have to do is put in the year, the model, and Maple Motors into the YouTube search bar, and it'll pull up 2 videos of each car. So definitely watch the walk around on this one. You can wait till the last 30 seconds of this video and easily access it, or just type it in. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again.